Alright guys, welcome back to the Trey and Adam show. This is what's going to be now because my brother Tanner, he really don't got much to do with the channel now. So, me and Adam's just going to run this thing. And right now we're running the Rite Aid. We're going to do the $10 Rite Aid challenge, the fishing challenge. We're going to go to Rite Aid to buy some stuff. I don't really know what we're going to buy.
And here's the thing. None of us are going to know what each other bought. So it's going to be a surprise when we get there. Make it fun.
I mean, we can show you all. I can go and get my stuff and then hand Adam the camera and let him show you all what he got. But Kendall's going to be with us and Josh Merida, one of our buddies, is going to be with us today. So yeah, we'll get back to you when we get to Rite Aid. We're in the
Rite Aid, you know.
We're in Rite Aid. Trying to find some fishing.
Me and Trey versus Kendall and Josh.
Me and Kendall. No, me and Adam versus Kendall and Josh.
We gotta buy a pole. I gotta buy a pole and everything. We gotta get pole line, everything. So Adam, did she just tell us that we didn't have a fishing set?
Here's where we go. This is where we're heading. Going to the can. Look here, Josh already scouting out. Yeah, you don't know.
Oh, we need some.
We need some red Twizzlers.
I'm clearly here first.
Red Twizzlers for number one.
No, bro. I was here
You can't take the Twizzlers. We can't take their idea. We'll take the ones.
He's got black ones.
So guys, I just now figured out that they don't have fishing supplies, so I'm now counting down to 10.
Yes. How much are those?
No.
Oh my gosh, dude. Why is Rite Aid so expensive?
Yesterday, they had fishing stuff.
Adam, why is the camera not focusing?
I don't know.
Listen, I got a good idea.
Actually,
I can't say it right.
Actually, those need to be. We need to get the black ones out.
No, bro. No, you can't leave.
Okay, so here's the rough plan. Me and Josh versus Adam and Trey. That's the
Trey, get the mini ones like finesse ones.
I
think we go with the gummy worms.
I think we'll go with these. Okay, so right now we've got the gummy worms.
Okay.
No.
If we use them, that's just gonna be the same thing.
Okay, these are going to imitate a Cinco.
I want something like a
little
popper.
Well, popper. There's nothing talking. Bread. Hey, are we fishing for bass only?
Yep. Okay, breaded.
Okay.
trying to cheat bread.
Oh, dog treats. I don't think they eat dog treats.
I'm sure they'll eat anything.
Okay, we're in the dog treat section. We're trying to be quiet so they don't hear us. I know, dude.
Ain't nothing over here cheap.
Where's my phone?
It's in my phone.
So we're out here at the Rite Aid right now. We're trying to find some fishing supplies. We're trying to be quiet so they don't hear us. With our great ideas we're gonna have. We've already got the Twizzlers. They're $2. $2. Hey, $3. Okay, great idea from Adam. We might just go with this pack right here. $10. Shoot. We'll go with the big one. We'll cut it down. What kind is it? Original? Do bass like original or flaming? Hey, keep that on you. Keep that on you, bro. Yes, good idea. We have spotted the opponents.
How much we spent on here on video?
On video?
Yeah, for you two. We're doing a fishing challenge.
Oh, why don't you don't get me on?
Okay, I won't get you on.
597.
Pay for a whole bunch of gas.
I'm gonna ask Mom if I can go through the springs. She don't like the springs because I almost died there last time.
Just tell her,
I died 3 times today.
Listen.
Is that right, Mr. Lay?
That's very right.
Listen. If mom says no, we're going to Adams.
Alright guys, we're in the prison right now. I had to film that first little bit on Adam's camera because I left my camera at the house. But I had to come out here anyways to get the fishing poles. We've got the poles down here. I have the chest mount with me this time, and we're actually going to get some GoPro footage this time because last time I was editing last night and the GoPro footage just corrupted and I didn't get to use it. And we have Tanner with us now. Tanner's going to be on our team. It's going to be me, Tanner, and Adam versus Kendall and Josh.
We lost, yep.
Yes, the Rite Aid challenge begins now. We had to make a stop at Taco Bell because Tanner had to get something to eat. Yeah, and you can probably see Adam. He's right here. He's coming up. Yeah, he's right here. What up, bird dog?
What's up, boy? Oh.
Tanner had to get something to eat, so it stopped.
I'm in pain.
What's wrong with you? What?
From running.
Oh, the baby is hurting from running. We had practice today. Yeah, so we'll end up being at the pond by, what time is it?
They're probably there.
Gosh.
It's 5:56.
5:56. We'll be there by about 6:15.
They're probably there.
So yeah, see you guys in a minute. Boom! Alright guys, we're at Bird Dog's house. We just dropped his car off. It's back here. You can see it right there. But yeah, we're all just gonna ride up together. Kendall and Josh has probably been there for about 10 or 15 minutes waiting on us, but I had to run out to my house and get the poles. We're ready to go. Tanner stopped and get some Taco Bell because he was hungry. So yeah, we'll see you in just 1 minute.
Right there, the big time.
Oh,
we gotta get out and go catch it.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's stuck. Don't get it. Don't get it. Don't get it. There's 2 more back there, boys. We've had a turkey crossing in here.
That's a nice size.
Alright, so we made it to the pond. I hooked up Adam with a Swedish fish. I hooked myself up with a Twizzler. And yeah, we're set to go. We're gonna go fishing. We're at the pond, guys. We're out here fishing with these crazy lures from Rite Aid. We might catch something, we might not. Kendall said he's done got a bite on a shoelace. So yeah, see you guys.
Alright, well, I just caught a hybrid bass. No, that's a hybrid. It's a striped rock bass. Caught him on a little piece of Slim Jim.
So you're just kidding, say it's a bluegill?
I'm just kidding. It's just a little bluegill, but.
No, because then I'm getting comments.
Oh, they can't hear you in the background over there. Well, I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna get my bass off here. Trey's still trying to fish over there. We probably ain't gonna catch nothing else because there's no bass in the pond, but it'll be alright. Alright, well, I just caught a hybrid bass. No, that's a hybrid. It's a striped rock bass. Caught him on a little piece of Slim Jim.
So you're just kidding, say it's a bluegill?
I'm just kidding. It's just a little bluegill, but.
No, because then I'm getting comments.
Oh, they can't hear you in the background over there. Well, I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna get my bass off here. Trey's still trying to fish over there. We probably ain't gonna catch nothing else because there's no bass in the pond, but it'll be alright.
I'm going to.
Alright, so what are y'all planning to do here?
I'm going to jump in the pond.
This pond.
I got manlaw.
What are you doing? Are you gonna jump in the pond also?
Yeah, I got manlawed.
Manlaw. What's manlaw mean, guys?
Manlaw means you gotta do it or you get punched in the cojones.
What's cojones? Man, look at some boobs, though. This is gonna be good.
Let me have the camera, Adam.
I got it. I didn't ask what. I didn't ask.
Nope. Alright, guys.
Nope.
These guys these guys are gonna jump in the pond. I don't know what they're thinking, but hey, we manlawed them. They said they would. We said manlaw. They have to now. Woohoo! Jump in!
They won't do it.
Alright, Josh. Move, Adam. 3!
No, don't count me down.
Whoa!
I'm right behind you.
Here we go.
Hey, by the way, there's some pretty big snappers.
Yeah, there is.
There's some pretty big turtles. Bust it!
Big as a
3!
I'm going in and coming back out.
No, you gotta go swim.
Swim to
Tell me what.
swim to that bank over there.
That's where I see that big old snapper.
Do it for the YouTube!
We're gonna smell like.
Go! 3.
You want to show us how to do it?
No, you got this.
No.
You said
Hey!
Rock, paper, scissors. Best 2 out of 3.
you're first.
Go! You said you would, Josh. Go!
You done got your boxes on.
It's deep right there.
It ain't that deep.
Cannonball.
Hey, there's some good looking bluegill on there, so don't hurt them.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
How's the water?
It's cold.
Snap it, turtle. Yo, go.
Tanner, jump!
Josh, it's pretty cold.
Right there?
Yeah.
I swear to God, if you
Did you hit bottom? No, I didn't hit bottom.
Oh, God!
killed one of my my bluegills.
Adam's mad because he probably
My
come up with his
bluegill in
bluegill. Alright, Tanner, this is you. This is all you, baby. Go! Oh, yeah. He's going. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Where's he at?
It's pretty cold.
Let me go.
It's cold, dude. It's cold.
Yeah, boys, do it. Guys, I have no clue why
This
they
is
did that,
straight
but
Kentucky.
we were sitting here trying to do the Rite Aid challenge. You know, Adam caught his 2 bluegill. So I think we're gonna call that the challenge.
Got some cake.
But yeah,
We
huh? You are? Man. Oh.
I don't really care.
All right, guys. So that wraps up the challenge, the Rite Aid challenge, and yeah, I don't know what they were thinking about jumping in the pond, but they said they would, and we just said man loss. So yeah.
we got AIDS for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, they might get a little sick because this pond ain't very clean.
No, it's a. For it to be cold, that means there has to be fresh water running to it. Yeah.
Okay, well it's cold. It's fresh. Okay. So
Great. Can we ride in the back of your truck so we can air dry a little bit?
challenge is over. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see you guys later.